Hey there! There's so much information out there everywhere you look. It's not always easy to know what's true and what's false, especially when it comes to collections and how they affect you and your credit report. Let's debunk some common misconceptions about collections and clear up any confusion. Here are some collection myths and what's actually true about them. Myth 1 is that debt collections won't impact your credit scores if you pay them. Whether you pay up the collection account or not, your credit scores have already been affected. So, take your next step with this information in mind. This second myth is tied into the first. Many people think that paying off a collection will get it removed from their credit reports. This is not the case. In some cases, through specific pay-for-deletion programs with the collection agency, it could be removed. But even after paying, there is still no guarantee they will actually go through with the deletion. Myth 3 is a big one. If you avoid collectors, they go away. But this is simply not true. Collectors are infamous for being absolutely relentless in their pursuit of money. Ignoring them won't get them to go away, but writing them a letter will. Learn more here. Our fourth myth is that smaller debts won't go to collections. While this is sometimes true, you can never be sure. The best option is to always pay your bills and avoid collections altogether. But don't think a small debt won't end up in a collection agency. Here's a good one. Some think that you could go to jail if you don't pay the collection agency. This is completely and unequivocally false. When it comes to collections, you don't have anything to worry about when it comes to jail time. Our last popular myth about collections is that they can take your next paycheck if you don't pay your collection immediately. This is also not true. While there are legal processes for a creditor to obtain a money judgment against you for wage garnishment, it's not going to be your next paycheck. If there is a legitimate garnishment notice, you will have been notified beforehand. Hopefully, now you're better equipped to wade through all the lies and misinformation about collections so you know how to approach them without fear. Thanks for checking out our video. We're coming at you with more credit tips every week. If you're interested in learning more, leave us a like and subscribe.